Hi everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about how do I replace a lost, stolen or destroyed Canadian immigration document. Replacing a lost, stolen or destroyed immigration document requires Canadian newcomers to submit an application for a verification of status or replacement of an immigration document. Immigration Refugees and Citizenship Canada has a specific process for replacing immigration documents that have been stolen, destroyed or lost. Understanding this process begins with awareness of what IRCC perceives as an immigration document. Now, let's talk about what IRCC calls an immigration document. According to the glossary included on the IRCC Help Centre webpage, an immigration document is an official document issued by an IRCC or Canada Border Services Agency office, case processing centre or Canadian visa office outside Canada. Examples of immigration documents include a Canadian work, study or temporary resident permit, a permanent resident card, a visitor record. Note, the above is not a legal definition. In light of the above, IRCC notes that the document replacement process below cannot be used by those who are looking for changes to their immigrant visa and record of landing or confirmation of permanent residence. Instead, the Immigration Department notes that concerns related to those documents can be addressed using a request to amend the record of landing, confirmation of permanent residence or valid temporary resident documents. Now, let's talk about steps to take when replacing a lost, stolen or destroyed document. On this Government of Canada webpage, IRCC includes the application package required for this document replacement process. This application package includes the verification of status or replacement of an immigration document form, MM5009, the use of a representative form, MM5476, an instruction guide, MM5545. Once a user downloads the application package above, they must take the following 4 steps to submit their verification of status or replacement of an immigration document form. 1. Read the instruction guide and download the application forms. 2. Fill out, sign and date your application forms. 3. Pay any required fees. Fees vary based on the country from which the application is being submitted. 4. Mail your application. Applications for replacement immigration documents can be sent to the following addresses, depending on whether they are sent through regular or couriered or registered mail. Regular mail, Operations Support Centre, OSC, P.O. Box 8784, STNT CSC, Ottawa, Ontario, K1G5J3, couriered/registered mail, Operations Support Centre, OSC, 365, Laurier Avenue West, Ottawa, Ontario, K1A1L1. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.